Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your 10 days reading starting from the 10th of August till the 20th August, and this is going to be for the sign of Gemini. So let's see what's coming up for Geminis for these 10 days of August. I hope you're having good time. I believe it's summer in most of the countries, and especially in our country it's like, oh my god, it's too hot. So yeah, so I'll be putting just two cards to see what's coming up for Geminis for these 10 days of August 2018. So let's see. Two of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. At the bottom of the deck, you have Five of Wands. There are so many things going on in your mind, and that is why you are not able to take the decision that you want to take, and I believe that is something related to your love life. Underneath that Five of Wands, you have Ten of Wands. Okay, it's more like I don't know why I'm picking up the energies that, with the Five of Wands, you are thinking about something that you ended, or you thought, now I have, freed my mind from all the burden that I had, and now I can, relax. But it's not the case with the Two of Pentacles here and Five of Wands underneath the bottom of the, at the bottom of the deck. It's more like you thought it that way, but it's not the case. It's like you are still having so much on your mind, and that is why you are not able to take the decision that you need to take in your life. And then underneath the Ten of Wands, you have the Lovers. So definitely it's something regarding your love life. Maybe you have two love offers, or maybe the person that you are dealing with have two love offers, and it's like that is why you are not sure, should I be the one for him to choose from these two people, or should I leave this person behind? It's like, it can go either ways, because it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there, but the energies that I'm picking up, it's more like for some of you it may be the case that the person that you are dealing with has two options to choose from, and it's like you feel like, I'm done with it. I don't want to be I don't want to be a choice, or I don't want to be treated like an option or a choice, like, you not choice, but yeah, you don't want to be treated like an option. So you want this person to be sure that, this is what you want. And if you want me, then you have to be very sure about it. And I believe maybe for some of you, you might have left your partner or the person that you liked because you thought that they were not able to make the decision between you and the other person. So you decided to leave that person, but deep down inside your heart, you are still stuck in the past. And it's like you are stuck in the situation, not in the past. It's like a recent kind of a thing. It's not something in the past. It's like ongoing thing right now in your life, because you have Two of Pentacles here, and it's like you are still stuck in the situation. You are not sure where to go, what to decide. So that's what I'm picking up with these cards. So let's see what's under the Lovers card. You have the Moon card. You have been going through a lot. You have been thinking about this thing a lot. And it's like, don't overthink about things. Like, if you think that this person is not worth investing your time in investing your energy into, it's more like, if this person doesn't treat you the way you deserve to be treated, then let it be. Just I would suggest you to make up your mind once and for all. It's like, don't kind of stay confused. For those of you, especially if the person you are dealing with has options, it's like, for those of you, I would suggest not to be don't let the other person treat you like an option. I mean, this is so disrespectful. You need to respect yourself first before you could get respect from the other person. So if that's the case, if the other person is treating you like an option, then leave that person by your choice. Like, you don't have to stay stuck in that situation because you love this person. I mean, it's okay if you love this person, if you have feelings for this person, but what's the point if the other person is not giving you back the same feelings or emotions in return. So it's like, it's not one-sided thing is not worth it. So if this person is so unsure who to choose from you and the other person, then let him be, or let her be, that way. Walk out of this situation, because you definitely deserve love. And I do feel like, I don't know why I'm picking up the energies of, with the Queen of Cups, the way she's holding the cup, I feel like, she was ready to give the cup to that person, but that person is, she's kind of, giving up on that person. And it's like she's thinking, I can, I so wanted to give this cup to this person, but I have to keep this cup for somebody else. It's that kind of a thing. I don't know. You don't have to be sad. You surely don't have to be sad. Be that, since it's a general reading, it can be a male too, but you don't have to be sad, because you definitely deserve love, and that person who deserves your love will definitely come your way. It's like, don't feel negative about yourself. Don't have I don't know why I'm picking up the energies that, you feel so low about about yourself. So underneath that moon card, you have Knight of Swords. Underneath that, the Queen of Pentacles. Underneath that, the marriage card or the commitment card. So it's more like excuse me, it's more like I feel like, this person that you are dealing with, they are taking so long to decide on this particular situation, and it's like you thought about it, and I feel like you are giving up on them. I don't know why I'm picking up the energies of you giving up on them, but again, like, like I said, you think you have given up on them, and then at the same time you are so much still in those thoughts and in those in that mindset where you are thinking about this person again. It's like, that is why you are, juggling between these two coins, because you are not sure whether you're done with it, or it's like you're thinking, should I, again offer this person, or should I keep the cup to myself? And I would suggest you, for those of you who are on the waiting side, to let the other person decide on you. I would suggest you to keep the cup to yourself. Let the right person come in your life, because if you offer this, if this person, if this person accept your love offer, I don't know why I'm picking very negative energy from the person that you are dealing with right now. I don't know why, because I feel like, even if they come to you, they will keep on thinking about the other person too, because it's kind of the person who is stuck in this situation where he's not sure, or she is not sure which one to choose from. They will never be sure about it. Like, even if they get committed to you, even if they get engaged to you, they might break the engagement, because they have something negative about themselves. For those of you who are dealing with somebody who has two people to choose from, and I don't know why I'm picking up the energies of, I'm picking up the energies that, the person that you are dealing with has two options, but for very small amount of people, I believe you will be the one having two options to choose from. And I don't know why, but I'm not, I'm not, maybe for one or two people out there, or maybe, if I don't know, excuse me, I do feel like, for most of you, like maybe for 99% of you, you are dealing with somebody who is having two options to choose from. And it's not worth investing your time in this particular relationship, because it's not going to lead you anywhere. Even if this person comes to you, like I said, you will even you yourself will not be confident, because the time that this person is taking to decide on you or either that person, it's like, anybody in the world would get confused, because you cannot rely on a person like this who took so much time to decide on you, whether he or she wants you or the other person. So it's like, you cannot it's like it's not a good option to choose this person. Just let this person go. Just don't juggle between, should I accept this love offer, or should I wait for him, or should I just move on. Just move on. Don't think about it, because if you don't move on, you will not be happy. I don't pick up the happy energies with the Queen of Cups energy here, and that person that you are dealing with is negative for sure. It's not a positive vibe that I'm getting from these cards. So I hope this reading will be helpful for you to decide on this person. And if the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in the next 10 days reading. Till then, take care. Bye bye.